Which one? Oh. Hello friends, we are at Costco and we're here to get some chicken for Tommy's brother, Max, right there. So yeah, just because it is a really good price. Yeah, you are, you're Max.
Maximilian.
Maximilian, sorry.
It's 19. I know. That's nice. What's the closest one to 20?
Yummy.
$20. 83. 21, 20, 23, 19.
Which one's the one that we normally get? Or what size or whatever?
What?
Oh, they're all frozen.
Huh?
Not this one. Not this one. This one is... This one's $24.45.
The one's closer to 20.
20? There's $21.62. Oh, right there. Get that one. That one looks... This one has, like, no fat.
That one.
What about this one? Look. Oh, it's so good. Yummy.
Got him.
Hi, Max. Ow. It's cold. Soup's cold.
Whoa. Got him.
Just left Costco. Now we're gonna go to Fry's. Need to buy some eggies. How much? We're gonna buy some eggs. Might go to Winco, Fry's, I don't know. It's a beautiful, glorious day outside.
Which one?
Jalapeno. Oh, the red ones?
It's kind of green.
Yeah, right. The newest ones are in the back bottom.
Oh, thank you. In the back bottom. Reach for it. Reach for it.
If they rotate it.
That one looks like it'd be really hard to cut up. Because look at this little thing right here.
But touching the fruits.
Oh, that one looks good. Look at this one. Look at this one. That one looks pretty.
It's got bruised. It got beat by the green ones.
Got beat by the green ones. What else? Why don't you get green ones?
$1.39 each.
Holy moly. Guacamole?
Yeah.
Yeah, these ones are really pricey at Albertsons too. They're like, yeah, that's how much they were. $1.79
Do you have to do this in
each.
separate bags?
What?
No. No, you don't have
Is it
to.
price?
No.
I think it's just fine. You still gotta put it on the skin.
Oh, the beautiful, beautiful thing. Oh, habanero. Where are those like sweet peppers? Oh, here they are. No, they're not. Where are they? Oh, here they are. These ones are so good. You can like roast these on like the pan and they turned out super, super good. $3.99. They're yummy. Alright, we are looking for Frank's hot sauce. Since you guys all know that I love it. Where is it at? Wait, where's Frank's at? Wait a minute. Frank's hot sauce, where are you? Oh, where is it at? I don't see it anywhere. Uh-oh, this might be bad. Okay, I found it. It was right behind me the whole entire time. Just got home from Fry's and from Costco. And we only went to Costco just to take Tommy's brother, Maximilian, to buy some chicken because he needed some. So after that, we went to Fry's, and this is all the stuff that I got. I got some Frank's Red Hot Sauce, and it's the Wings Buffalo one. And I'll tell you in a bit what I'm planning on doing with this and with chicken. Then we have a red pepper, a green pepper. Tommy wanted to get some rosemary, so he can. I don't know what he's gonna make, but he's gonna make something. And then we got some garlic powder, and then 2 cartons of egg whites, and we also got full eggs. So let's open this up. Yum. You guys know me and my eggies, how much I love them. So yes, I did get this, and it does have tons of sodium, and I think, you know, the only way that I can get away with being able to have that much sodium is by drinking tons of water. I do drink 1.5 to 2 gallons of water each day, so I think it's okay. So yeah, so that's why I can take my Frank's hot sauce. And then another thing we got too from Walmart, we ended up getting a water dispenser, just because we do drink tons and tons of water, so it's kind of like we had to. What we are going to be doing is we're going to be using the crock pot. And in the crock pot, I'm gonna put a bunch of chicken breast in there, and I'm also gonna be putting in the Frank's hot sauce. And you know, and then I'm gonna put it on high for about 4 hours, and I think it's gonna come out delicious, like super delicious. It's gonna come out so good. So we're gonna be renting a movie tonight, and we're thinking we're gonna watch Lord of the Rings. So these ones, yeah, because hubby's never seen them. But we just got done having dinner, and we had chicken and vegetables, and Tommy made them so good. He put like on the chicken and the vegetables, he put some like garlic, and he put some rosemary and pepper. It was so good. So that's what we just ate, and now we're just gonna rent a movie. And here's the one we're getting. So we're getting this one. It comes with all the first, the second, and the third movie. Hey, we found it. Freaking scary. It has my name on this scary movie thing. No, that's just creepy. So we're renting 3 movies, and they just told us we can get another one for free. So now we're just looking at all the other movies, see which one we like. We should get a Disney movie.
No.
Look at this over here. Hey, look, Grace. Grace stirs up success. Where's the, there was a movie I saw though that I was like, ooh, where is it? It's on Disney. Oh, babe. Teen Beach 2.
No.
The first one was really good. I bet the second one would be even greater. So we ended up getting the first 3 movies of Lord of the Rings, and then the 4th one that we got for free, we got Unfinished Business. So we'll see how those work out for us. And when we were leaving, Tommy wanted to get a Magic Mike, and I told him no. I said no, huh, babe?
I doubt that.
Actually, that was reversed. I wanted to get Magic Mike, and I want to see the second one, and I have no one to watch it with because Tommy, obviously, I wouldn't make my husband go watch it with me because that would be kind of weird and awkward, and it'd just be strange. So I'll have to watch Magic Mike 2 when it comes out on Redbox so I can watch it by myself. So there's still 2 hours and 17 minutes left, and it's still on high, obviously, for my chicken. And look at this. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, this looks delicious. Look at this. Should be almost done. I mean, okay, so I got this new technology where if I press a button on my camera, you'll be able to smell this. So I'm about to turn it on. It's called Smell-O-Vision. Ready? I'm about to turn it on. Just kidding. I wish there was Smell-O-Vision. Oh my gosh. Like, oh my goodness. Like, this looks so freaking good. I better not drop my camera in here because that would suck.